Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll cover another 3D command, that is revolve bosser base. Okay, just create a sketch. There is my center line, reference line for it. Okay, I should say this. Okay, now I would use something like a spline here. Maybe I'm not good at it, but let's see. Okay, let me create a shape. To create a shape like this, select. Okay, close it down here, and now here. I just closed this shape, and now again select revolve boss or base. Okay, now axis of revolution. If I select this, it will revolve around this. If I select this one, it will revolve around this. Okay, you can see it from here. There is a blind. Okay, and 360 degree. If I want to 70 degree, it will rotate to 70 degree round, but 360 degree is good. Okay, I'm revolving. Direction to, there's not, if you want to revolve in the same direction, so you can. Okay, contour, and these are all the same thing. And there is a thin feature. If you want a thin feature of 1 millimeter, for example, there's a preview. Okay, 0.1 millimeters. Okay, the resultant contour intersects the center line. Okay, there is a center line and it intersected, so that's why we can't make a thin feature, but I will show you the other thing, that you can create cavity in it, a hollow shape in it, and there's a shell command for it also. Up to vertex, up to surface, these are all the same things that you can you might have studied in the extrude base or extrude other commands like extrude cut. Okay, so this is all about revolve feature. If you have any question, you can ask. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.